Every year, people forget almost $25 billion worth of money when they don't use their credit card rewards. But what if I told you that you could make over 15 times your money by simply putting $100 on your credit card and then paying it off? Well, that's exactly what I did. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. If you're new here, welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. I'm from a finance channel where we learn to grow our wealth slow and steady. Now, before we dive into the video, I want to remind you of a very important fact. The average person has $0 in credit card debt. So please, if you are that average person, do not skip this video because it could change your life. And hey, if you're not the average person, well, this might help you too. So let's get into it. The problem is that credit card rewards are complicated. Most people don't understand how they work and therefore don't take advantage of them. Or they do understand how they work and intentionally try to game the system without thinking through the long-term consequences. I fall into the first category. I didn't know how credit card rewards worked when I started using them, but once I learned, I became obsessed. I spent hours upon hours researching which cards offered the most rewards for everyday purchases and which ones were the easiest to use. I wanted to make sure I was getting the most value out of every dollar I spent. And then I discovered something amazing. What if I could earn rewards for spending money that I already planned on spending? It seemed too good to be true, but I decided to give it a shot. I got a credit card and started using it for everything: groceries, gas, clothes, you name it. At first, it felt a little weird using a credit card for everyday purchases, but I quickly got used to it, and the rewards started to add up. After a few months of using the card, I checked my account and couldn't believe what I saw. I had earned $1,500 in cashback rewards on the $100 I had spent. That's a 15x return on my investment. I couldn't believe it. I had turned $100 into $1,500 by simply using a credit card. I was hooked. Now, there's a lot more to it than that. You have to be careful about how you use credit cards. If you don't pay off your balance each month, the interest charges will quickly wipe out any rewards you earn. But if you do pay off your balance each month, credit cards can be a great way to earn cash back on everyday purchases. Here are the 3 things that helped me turn $100 into $1,500 using credit card rewards. First, I got a credit card that offered a high cashback reward rate. There are a ton of different credit cards out there with different reward programs. But I found that the best ones for earning cashback are typically no-frills cards that do offer a bunch of other benefits, like travel insurance or airport lounge access. Those fancy benefits might sound nice, but they're not worth it if you never use them. I learned that the hard way. I ended up paying for a card that offered all these extra benefits and then never used them. I just ended up with a credit card that cost me money. Instead, I should have just gotten a no-frills card that offered a high cashback reward rate and then used the cashback to buy whatever I wanted. Second, I made sure I was only using the credit card for purchases that I was already planning on making. This is important because you do and want to end up spending more money. Just because you have a credit card with a high reward rate. You need to be disciplined and only use the card for purchases that you were already planning on making. If you can do that, then you'll be able to earn cash back on those purchases without spending any extra money. Third, I paid off my credit card balance in full each month. This is critical. If you don't pay off your credit card balance in full each month, then the interest charges will quickly wipe out any cashback rewards you earn. Do you want to even bother getting a credit card if you can't commit to paying it off in full each month? Well, there you have it, in less than 3 minutes. Just showed you how I turned $100 into $1,500 using credit card rewards. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a great way to earn some extra cash back on your everyday purchases. Just remember to be strategic about it. Get a card with a high reward rate. Only use it for purchases you were already planning on making and pay off your balance in full each month. If you can do that, then you'll be well on your way to earning some serious cash back. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below if you've ever tried using credit card rewards to make money. Be sure to check out our other videos for more great tips on growing your wealth slow and steady. Thanks again, and see you next time.